Welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to schedule a visit in Home Health Soft.
After logging in, select Patients in menu. Locate your patient and open the chart. Go to the Calendar tab. In the Calendar view, click on the date. Select the therapist, time, and the type of visit. Then click Create. You may also input multiple dates at once by putting a check in each day of the week for a visit. Select Add Visit at the top left of the calendar. Add the therapist and type of visit, and click Create. You may modify the type of visit if needed. Click Save. Authorizations. In the patient's chart view, select Authorized Visits tab. Click on Add Authorized Visit. Enter the authorization ID or create one if this was not provided by the agency. Enter the from and end dates of the authorization. Fill in authorized visits. If you do not have authorization for a discipline, just enter 0 inches in the box in order to continue. Click on Save.
Remember, all this information is available under the Help menu, User Guides. Thank you so much for watching.